it's Abigail, and I'm going to show you how to make this really cute light up jar. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below. So the things you'll need are some glue, a jar with a lid, a light up candle, not a real one. You also need a cutout, and I'm just using a cat, but you can use anything, and you can just make it out of some paper. You also need a paintbrush and some tissue paper. So what you want to do is you want to start by taking your glue, and what you want to do is you want to paint the glue onto the inside of the jar. And you won't need too much glue, you will just need a little. And what you want to do is you want to put glue all around and just make sure you don't add too much, but enough so that you can glue the paper. So if you want, what you can do is you can have this theme going on where your tissue paper and your little cutout figure or shape match the lid. So what you can do is you can either make your tissue paper and cutout match, or you can make your lid match. And what you want to do is you want to take your little cutout and you want to put it inside, and depending on what material you use, like I'm using cardstock, so you need a little bit more glue, but if you're using normal like construction paper or copy paper, you won't need that much glue, and you just want to hold it on until it stays. Then what you want to do is you want to take your tissue paper and you can rip strips of paper, and what you can do is they shouldn't be like too thin, they should be about an inch, but they don't have to be straight or anything. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's the length of your jar, and it can overlap or go a little taller than your jar. You just don't want to try to make them that much shorter because it makes it a little harder to glue when they're shorter. You can just use your paintbrush to push it on and make it stick, and you just want to keep doing that until you don't see any more clear spaces and all the glue has some tissue paper on top of it. Now this takes a few hours to dry, so just be patient, but once you finish that, the hard part is done, and all you need to do is take your candle and make sure that your candle, it's fake and that you can take it out and put it back in anytime you need to. You don't have to just continuously leave it on. And the cool thing about this is that when the light is on and it's morning or it's bright, then you can't see it as well. But once you turn off the lights, it becomes magical. And so you just want to screw your lid on and make sure you have a lid, and well, just wait for it to become dark. And then you're done and you see the magic happening.